As a firm owner, you enroll clients through consultations. And what about being able to effectively do it, even if you don't like the sales part? This is Loren Fogelman with Business Success Solution. And I want to say, I understand you're a business owner. You have an accounting, tax, bookkeeping service, and you want to serve your clients so deeply. You're very client-centered. However, sales just isn't what you enjoy doing, especially when it comes to the close. That's where you maybe get anxious. You go ahead and negotiate your fees. You give discounts before they even ask, to break the silence because it feels uncomfortable for you. And as a result, you know that you're leaving money on the table. You aren't being as effective as you could be. And because that, you get really frustrated. Well, I want to let you know that it is absolutely possible to enroll quality clients, even if you don't like the sales part. And winging it is not a process or a strategy. That means that sometimes you get great results and other times it is lukewarm or even cold, because every single time you're meeting with someone, it might be a little bit different with what you focus on and how you take them through the initial consult and meeting. So I want to show you 5 ways to enroll quality clients, even if you don't want to be salesy. Okay, the very first thing is a shift in priorities. What you want to do is think about them and what is important to that person that you're meeting with, as opposed to solely focusing on what's important to you. You want to acknowledge their needs, what deeply matters to them, what it is that they want to achieve, why they want to achieve those things. And that is something that you really want to do. It's going to shine. It's going to let them know that you absolutely care and that you're listening well. So you want to shift your priorities as to some of the things that you're talking about. Number 2 is relevance. This is where you are client-centered. I know that you deeply care about the people that you're serving. You want to make a difference. You see what's possible for them and that you understand the story behind the numbers. Well, we want to educate them about the solutions that are deeply aligned with what it is that they tell you that's a priority. Just don't focus on the tasks, the functions, the workflow. Focus on the solutions and connect those solutions to what they told you was a priority for them. Number 3 is stop selling. And that is where everybody is on the same page. Those potential clients don't want to be sold to, and you don't want to do the selling either. We are all in the same page. You do not have to do a pitch. In fact, if you set up this first meeting correctly, you don't even have to sell your services. It is going to be a natural progression to them wanting to know more and how to be able to get started and work with your firm. Number 4 is communicate. This is where you want to explain what the experience is like when they engage your services. You want to let them know what it's like to work with you, what it is that they can expect, how you communicate with each other when questions come up, how often you might be meeting with each other. You want to be able to really explain that to them so they get a picture of what it's like to move forward and engage your firm. And to be able to do that in a way that is very client-centered. And once again, you don't need to go too much into the details of all the bank accounts, all the classifications, all the different forms that you might need for taxes and so on and so forth. You want to give them this 30,000-foot view of what it's like to work with your services, your firm, and the solutions that you will help them achieve. And then number 5 is value first. Always, always think about the value from the client's point of view. Think about what's important to them, why they want to engage your services, why this matters to them, and emphasize solutions and experience before you share the investment. Talk about, once again, what it's like working with you, how you're going to help them resolve some of the challenges that they're currently having, how they will go ahead and get unstuck, being able to move forward, and really highlight those aspects before you talk about the investment of moving forward with your services. And the reason that I say investment is because the right clients, those premium clients who are a joy to work with, are going to see engaging your firm's services as an investment, not a cost. We want them to recognize that working with you is going to be a win-win. They're going to benefit from your services, and you're going to benefit from being able to serve them. It is going to be really positive on both sides. And once again, I just want to say, firm owners, when you lead with value for your services, whether it's accounting, tax, or bookkeeping, then you're able to engage premier clients. They see the benefits of engaging your services. They respect you. They follow through with your recommendations, and you no longer have to charge competitive rates. This is when you're able to enroll better clients and earn more money. That's like a win-win right there. So think about that. And if you're ready to get this done, then join me on Thursday, June 22nd at 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, where I'm doing a free masterclass called 5 Steps to Easily Enroll Premium Clients Without Negotiating Your Fees. If you want to go ahead and register for that, it is at businesssuccesssolution.com/enroll. I'll put the details below as well. So once again, please join me on Thursday, the 22nd at 12 Eastern, 9 Pacific, for 5 Steps to Easily Enroll Premium Clients Without Negotiating Your Fees. And you will find that at businesssuccesssolution.com/enroll. Talk to you soon. Loren Fogelman, Business Success Solutions, showing accounting professionals how to double their income working half the time.